So we're back again, and in this one we are going to be deleting our own posts. So it's like any other delete that we did in this in this course. So if you look up over here, posts-admins, if we look up, we created this the last time. We actually look up over here, we did this delete dash posts.php, and we catch it, we give it like some kind of parameter down here, and we equate out our own IDs. We look up over here, you can see down at the left bottom of the screen that's giving us our own IDs. If we actually click on it, it will go to this page down here, and we can snap our own IDs. So if we go ahead and let's go to categories-admins, we can go down here, go delete dash posts, and we can say we need only the config because we're not going to be needing the connection down here. And this one's going to be PO, which stands for post. And for this one, we are going to be doing the same thing. We're going to be deleting from posts, where ID is equal to ID, the ID that we got. Here is the handler, and for the handler down here, we're like assigning it to our own ID up over there. So I'm guessing that that's actually everything. Maybe we'll go back after we delete this to like posts-admins, show posts, and that's actually everything. So that's everything that we need. We do not need this. Okay, so if we save all of this, let's see what we got down here. Refresh this. If we go delete, you can see that's actually got deleted from here. If we go to posts, okay, it's number with the ID 16. If we go, you can see that actually got deleted. If we try one more, you can see that it got deleted. So everything is looking great. The delete is working fine, and this video is really short, I know, but this should be it for this one, and see you in the next video.